In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Salesforce. This integration is essential for ensuring that all your sales and marketing efforts are aligned and streamlined across the platforms. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. To begin, you'll want to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top of the screen where you'll see the marketplace icon. Go ahead and click on that. This icon serves as your gateway to the app marketplace, which is filled with a variety of applications that can enhance and extend the capabilities of HubSpot. Now you're going to want to select the app marketplace from the drop-down menu that appears. Once you're in the app marketplace, you will see a search bar prominently displayed. Use this search function to locate the Salesforce integration. Simply type in Salesforce and watch as the search results begin to populate. When you see the Salesforce integration option, click to select it. This will direct you to the page dedicated to the Salesforce integration. Now once you are on the integration page, you'll see an option to install the app. Hit the install app button. This will start the installation process, which is fairly straightforward. Next, you'll need to log into Salesforce using your admin credentials. Enter your details carefully and securely. This step ensures that you have the necessary permissions to proceed with the integration. After you've logged into Salesforce, you will be prompted to allow HubSpot the permissions it needs to connect with Salesforce. This is a crucial step because it ensures that both platforms can communicate effectively. Permissions may include access to your lead and contact data, as well as the ability to execute certain actions within Salesforce on your behalf. When prompted, click to allow these permissions. Rest assured, these permissions are standard for integrations of this sort and are necessary for the seamless transfer of data between HubSpot and Salesforce. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully integrated HubSpot with Salesforce. This integration allows you to ensure that your team can access critical sales and marketing information from both platforms, enhancing the coordination and collaboration between your sales and marketing teams. If you encounter any issues or have additional questions, both HubSpot and Salesforce offer extensive support resources that you can explore. Remember, integrating these powerful tools can significantly optimize your business operations, so it's worth taking the time to get it right. Thanks for tuning in and happy integrating.